Find or read reviews that people are talking about Yifoco portable propane heater. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful gas heater. This propane heater has a high heat conversion efficiency by burning fully with a high-quality infrared ceramic burner. It delivers instant sunlight-like heat covering up to 200 square feet. You can turn the button to min/max modes to output 6000/7500 BTU, which meets your heating needs for 3 to 6 hours per 1-pound cylinder. Great as garage heaters, camping heaters for tents. Multi-safe protection. With CSA/ANSI certification, the propane heaters for outdoor use are equipped with flame retardant panel, an automatic low oxygen shut-off system, or ODS, and tip-over protection. Once the small propane heater senses the danger of hypoxia and accidental falls, it'll shut off automatically to ensure your family, friends, and tent campers' safety. Non-electric and economical. This cordless heater cuts down on electric bills by warming only occupied areas without electricity. Even in the face of unpredictable power outages, it can help you stay warm during the cold winter. Portable propane heater is also a great choice for power outage essential supplies. Portable and sturdy. With an easy grip groove at the top, the portable heater is easier to move around, providing warmth wherever needed. Meanwhile, the outdoor heater is made of a sturdy durable shell, more damage-resistant while traveling. Its one-button ignition system can light a flame in seconds. Just enjoy warmth at your convenience. Warmth everywhere. No matter where you use the propane outdoor heater, it quickly transfers heat directly to your body without waiting too long in the cold, which lets you comfortable and warm instantly. Great for garage, camping tent, hunting, deer blind, shed, ice fishing, boat, porch, patio and more. Pick up the outdoor heater propane and you'll be well on your way to enjoying this warmer than usual winter. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.